Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we unboxing one kit. It's one of my favorite kit. It's SAZABI Ver.Ka MG Master Grade Ver.Ka. It's old kit 2013. This is the cover, the box. So we got a image for this SAZABI. His name is ZEON MSN-04 mobile suit SAZABI Ver.Ka. Then got the info here and the accessory like beam shoot rifle, beam tomahawk, beam saber, shield, funnel and long rifle. This is a kit. And below here you can see got a long rifle, beam shoot rifle, shield, funnel, beam saber, and this one is tomahawk. And you can see here the front image and the back image, and at this side you can see the effect gimmick for the open parts. And inside of this box got the first here is posing pose, back and the front image. So let's see what inside here. So first sana, di sana we have water slide decal. This one red color. Next we got inner frame metallic parts. This also inner frame. And red color, but we have like 3 different shade of the red for the leg parts. Then the inner frame here, the lighter red. Also the back is inner frame, like for the skirt and the waist here. So the black color, the shade, funnel at the back, and the propeller, the tank. So next, A1 and M in the frame. And also the in the frame, but they have a metallic part. Then the manual here. So this one I've got polycap. This clear part for the head and the inside body. This is the finger. I not really like this type of finger because it's difficult to hold the weapon. And this is yellow color for the B one. Put here lah. White color. The part is not got some detail but not very much line. This is a long rifle, and this is for shield. This is in the frame for the leg, and this one the tomahawk clear part. Okay. More yellow color parts, and D for weapon and some of the main body, black color, and lastly in the frame the P2 in the P. So I think that's all for the runner parts. So I try to rearrange back. So you see the manual here, It's like a book. Then got more info here in Japanese. See the posing, the accessory, and some part you can open. And this kick you can put LED, but you need to buy separately. More info here. Then the runner, first they do the body part. I think it's very simple, just like a toothpaste only, and they got like cabling here, so these parts not much, is very difficult to remove. These are LED parts. If you want to put LEDs inside here. And the head part, very simple. Arms, the finger. Then the difference is for right arm and left arm is just this part only. And shoulder, complete the upper body. For the lower body, start with waist. Right leg here, left leg, backpack, and funnel. Got 6 funnel and complete whole body. Then there's the weapon, beam shoot rifle, long rifle, shield, beam tomahawk, beam saber. And this is how you hold the weapon. Then how you put the connection part for the action base at the back here. And these LED parts. Then is instruction for transformation system. Then how to attach the shield, but I think not very useful because shield very heavy. I think this one maybe cannot hold the shield properly. Then this if you want to attach the bazooka from MG Sinanju Ver.Ka, show here. And lastly is the guideline for you to put the water slide decal and color chart if you want to paint back. Okay, I think that's all for unboxing SAZABI Ver.Ka. We will do the speedbook and review later. Okay, thank you, bye.